Hi, welcome back to Beauty Strategy. If you saw my last video of my big Nigel haul, I wanted to show you what I did with the Makeup Forever refillable palettes. So this is the large. The reason why I buy those palettes is because when I depot other palettes, I collect extras. I put the colors that I want in my kit, and then the ones where I have duplicate colors or colors I may not use, I collect them. And then when I have friends come over, I like to give them an empty palette and have them fill them with colors that they like. So this is the large, and I made this for my friend Monica. She likes to use neutral colors on a daily basis, so I put together this little kit for her. This one is a champagne color. I believe it's by Smashbox. This is a matte nude color that I think I combined a lot of the ones from Coastal Scents. This is also a matte, I would call it a medium to dark brown, cool. And then kind of a more pearlescent champagne. And then I'm gonna show you a couple other sizes. This is the small. And this one, luckily, it fit these really slender hard candy ones from the 90s or 2000s. A taupe color, a warm reddish brown with gold flecks, and then kind of a opalescent ivory. And then for the medium, this one has a little window. So my friend wanted purples, so I gave her, this one I believe is from a Smashbox quad. This one is a Z palette magnet one, and I filled it with different purple colors from a Coastal Scents palette and made it. And this one is a matte Elizabeth Arden. Also, if you have powders that crack, you can use alcohol and maybe a little bit of silicone or oil and then press it back together. I'll catch you next time. Bye. It's been a while since Joey showed up. Wait. Joey got groomed. Oh, don't give me a wet willy. Say hello.